Hello guys, this is the video guide that will provide you with instructions to remove ritishdeliv.top pop-up windows from your browser. These particular pop-ups are extremely dangerous, and their mission is actually to infect your browser with the feature of excessive web push notifications. So you may be thinking that there's nothing bad that would happen if you actually click on the allow button, especially when the pop-up says that you need to do that in order to enable some download functionality. Believe me, doing that is a serious mistake. Some people have committed this mistake, and as a result, they now see the great multitude of ads that keep attacking their screen from time to time. And the danger of these ads is that they may point your browser to all sorts of really malicious pages on the web. So be careful. If the allow button was clicked, you need to immediately fix your browser. Go to Settings in the menu, then in the Privacy and Security area choose Site Settings, and now select Notifications. So pay very close attention to the allow area. If you see some suspicious pages here, be sure to remove them as soon as you can, and also delete the sites from the block area if they are not decent. Finally, I would also strongly recommend that you scan your Mac additionally with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. You may get its latest version on the page combocleaner.com. So as soon as the software is downloaded and installed, start the application, wait until it updates the antivirus database, and then click on Start Combo Scan button. This will initiate the detailed research of your Mac. So this is the end of scanning of our Mac computer by Combo Cleaner Antivirus. Whether it is in the trial mode or in the premium mode, the program performs scanning and analysis of your Mac computer. You may click on the antivirus area and then click on the link Review Results to see the exact threats and their exact location. And then you may click on this special icon that says Show in Finder. This will show you the location of each specific threads in Finder, and you may move this thread manually to the trash. What's good about Combo Cleaner, even the trial mode of it, is that it gives you the exact location and helps you remove each thread one at a time. Or, of course, you may get rid of all threads altogether automatically, but with the premium version only.